Hey, welcome back, guys. You guys are watching Classic Chevys, the CJ, the Cigar Man. I'm glad you guys came back and watched another video. Actually, you guys know I'm on the grind, man. I'm always trying to get good content for you guys. But today, hopefully, we'll be able to take a nice little tour of my buddy's shop. He got a little garage. He's one of my friends that own a upholstery place in town, and I take a lot of my stuff to him. But he actually had two 68 Mustangs. I believe one of them was a hatchback and the other one was a convertible, and he actually took and basically built one of them. So we'll go over to his shop here in a few, because matter of fact, I'm heading over to a place called Unity Hydraulics. That's in Abingdon, Virginia, probably about 30 miles from where I live at. But these guys actually do all kinds of hoses, specialty hoses and stuff. And I'm actually getting a, let me see here, maybe I can show y'all. This actually go to JR's Fastback. He's been having problems and issues with someone trying to make him a hose or whatever. He want this fitting on there. So anyway, I told him, man, I'll take care of you, brother. We got the hookup. So that's one thing about this car stuff, man. You know, you got to watch out for each other. People take care of each other. And karma is always good, man. Just because someone is down on their luck, I always try to help them out, because you never know when you're going to need help. So hopefully my guys over here at Unity Hydraulics will be able to hook them up with a hose. I'm sure they will be able to and stuff, but they're good guys over here as well, man. And I'm gonna start taking you guys, you know, like I said, along for a ride with me into these shops. Anyway, I'll get back with you guys later. Hopefully we get to go to JR's so I can take you guys for a nice little tour of this 68 Mustang that he's restored. And this is a nice looking vehicle, man. And this is what hopefully I can bring you guys a lot more good material and content, because this is what my channel is going to be about. Everyday guys that's doing jobs DIY in their garages, not taking them to these big shops charging them a fortune. This is something that you can do yourself, because I know if I can do it, I know that you guys can do it. So I appreciate you guys watching my channel, and I appreciate you guys' support, and I'll get back with you guys later on this evening. So this is a kit.
Yeah, it's a California sidecar kit.
Have you driven it yet?
Yeah, I didn't put about 150 miles on it.
How much?
About 150 miles.
Wait a minute now. I thought you said you just want to pick this one up.
Picked it up Friday.
And you put 150 miles on it already?
Yeah. We're just riding around. That's your trunk.
And it, yeah, the trunk. And this thing got a hitch on it too?
Yeah. Now I got a trailer sitting out there. Pull behind it.
And how many miles you have on this? I know they probably got no miles on it.
Got 54,000.
How much?
54,000.
Man, look at
So it's got some Corvette.
This is what we came for. Now we're over here at JR and stuff. Just got here, guys, and he built this from ground up. He actually took two. And you actually took, you say you had two of them and built this one, correct?
Yeah.
So how much you need as far as the elbow?
Huh?
How much you say you need the elbow? What is that trying to go up in?
See right here, it's got a screw on right there. I need a 90 to pitch it back this way.
Gotcha.
And I probably need two of them and about a 2-inch hose in between it.
I'm trying to think.
I can put a 90 on it there.
You need to get around that gearbox.
Yeah. Well, see, what I need is a 90 on it and a short hose in between it and a 90 to kick it back this way.
See, what I'm thinking is, actually, if I was you, You know what I would do? I would get another hose like this here, Jimmy. Like once about this, probably about this size here, this length, and then I would put that piece on there, and then I will come out for 90.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because then if you come out for 90, then this. Now, does this go up some more?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, all right, yeah.
Need about a 2-inch hose in between it.
Okay. We can get that done.
That way I can get it over there, out of the way of the steering column coming down through there.
Gotcha.
No, but now this thing fire right up.
See what she do here.
Cables on it. Cables off.
You disconnect your battery?
I had it loose there the other day when I was doing something.
Wait. Don't start this mop yet. Don't start it yet. You got that right there, brother. Excuse my language. I have to cut that out. But yeah, you don't want to start it yet. So I always check. That's what I always check stuff. Like make sure we got nothing.
Yeah.
You know, obstructing it, man.
Yeah, you got power now.
That fuel pump.
Yeah.
Starts right up, brother. Boy, she is clean. I tell you what, man, I love how you did your plumbing on this thing. And you did all the plumbing yourself?
Yeah.
All the plumbing? And
Yeah.
Look, I mean, that's really,
What's this?
you
That
did a really
push and
good
lock.
job.
All you do is just push it on there. You got no clamps. So that's 6AN fittings there. And this stuff is called push and lock. You just push it on there, no clamps.
I need that's a regulator.
Fuel pressure regulator, yeah.
I
And it's
need
got a
one.
vacuum line coming off of it. That way it keeps it at 58 PSI even when it's idling.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I need on mine because I think I'm losing pressure.
I said when I went to all this right here, so I had to put this junction box on there to order to power everything up.
I mean, it's neat though. I mean, you know. The junction box right there he was talking about. Man, you got everything in here looking sweet, bro.
And I ordered all this stuff here and wrapped all these wires.
Gloom.
That's it. Paint stuff you get from paintless. That classic braid.
Now explain to me, Junior, about what you were telling me that you had two of them. Okay,
This used to be a coupe.
A coupe.
Yeah, used to be a 67 coupe.
Okay.
I bought a 67 Fastback. It was gonna have to have everything done I'd already done to this one. So we just cut all of this off, put new inner structures in it, put new sheet metal on it, and turned this body into a Fastback.
Wow. So I mean, does that matter if you know, as far as on your title or anything?
No,
I mean,
it's the plates. This is a Fastback.
right. I mean, because there's really nowhere you could tell that you did that work though.
So I went back. I put Fastback inner structures in.
Exactly.
Inner structures different on a coupe than a Fastback.
So you basically made this just like it was
I
a
just
coupe.
used this as a donor car to fix the Fastback because the other one was so far gone. They wasn't no fixing it.
Now, Junior, he did all the body work, the tire. I mean, he done everything. Of course, you know he's an interior man. So look at this interior. I'm trying to save some of the best stuff for last because this interior is just so it's just perfect for this vehicle, man. The color. Are those American mag or you got the
That's
mag?
them U.S. mags.
U.S. mag. Okay. What size are those? Those all look beefy.
15s.
They look pretty beefy, don't they? Look at this interior, guys. Now they actually, I know you did your seats and everything yourself, but they actually make a kit, don't they, for this interior?
Yeah. I could order the interior kit,
But you just did it, didn't you? Why not? And actually, I think this is like your third or fourth one that you've restored, haven't it?
Yeah.
That's crazy, man. I love the history. Look at the headliner. You guys ain't gonna be able to see that, but man, I wish you could see the headline. This
everything in here is new. Just new console. Everything inside there is new. I had ordered all them new panels, back seat.
I like how it's that plastic over there where that light is, like the dome light. I like how that is it's not wrapped. I like that. You know, that's original OEM too, right?
All original. All that is. Everything in it's original CDs.
Oh, okay. I mean, but they're
I made them myself.
Yeah.
It's leather. You can't get ordered leather for them.
That's cool, man. You did a good job, brother. I love this car, man. I can't wait to see it on the road. I can't wait to see this on the road.
It's getting there.
Yeah.
Getting close. There about 3 weeks ago, first time
All right.
15 years.
Hey guys, I just want to show you guys 67 Mustang, and I think she's a beauty. And I tell you, I appreciate Junior letting me come up here and just you know film and hang around with him in the garage a little bit. And these are some of the type of stuff we're gonna be doing, guys. Going to garages, and he's a DIY guy too. He do it himself. He does a great job. So I just want to thank Junior and thank you guys for hanging out with us. And like I always tell people, if you got a good cigar, a fast car and truck, smoke them if you got them, baby.